Okay, here is a really neat card trick that has to do with fortune telling and a magic square. So I like this. I think this is really cool. What you're going to do is you're going to have your spectator cut the pack approximately in half, cut up about half the cards. So they're going to make a cut like this, and we're going to have them place the cards that they cut off inside of the card case like this. Okay, we'll place those cards off to the side, and that's a free cut. They could have made that cut wherever they wanted. All right, so we're then going to deal the cards out into a magic square, more or less. It's going to look kind of like this. All right, this is probably shaped more like a rectangle, but you get the general idea. All right, so we'll place the cards out, and the cards are going to basically be the backbone of a fortune-telling scene here. So if you would, just pick any column or row, and let's say they picked this row here. So we're just going to take a look at the cards, and we're going to add up the values. So we have a 5 plus a 10 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18, and we've got 18 plus a jack, which has a value of 11. So 18 plus 11 is 29. If you would point to any one of the columns, let's say they point to this column here, we'll flip these over. And if we take a look at what we've got a 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 8 is 28, plus 1 is 29. So this column adds up to the exact same as that row. Go ahead and point to another either row or column. Let's say they point to the top row. So here we've got a 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus a 12 is 22, and plus a 7, 22 plus 7 is 29. I think if we flip all the cards over, you're going to see that 4 plus 10 is 14, plus 6 is 20, plus 9 is 29. That also adds up to 29. It feels like the cards are trying to tell us something. Here we've got a 2 plus an 8, which is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18, and then 18 plus 11 is 29. If we add up the column over here, 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 11 is 20. And then 20 plus 9 is 29. We can add up the square in the middle, like 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 10 is 26, plus 3 is 29. We could add up the diagonals. If we take a 9 plus an 8 is 17, 17 plus 3 is 20, and 20 plus 9 is 29. Diagonal this way, we've got 4 plus 10 is 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, plus 7 is 29. We could add up the four corners. We've got 9 plus 7 is 16, plus 4 is 20, plus 9 over here is 29. I think the cards are trying to tell us how many cards you cut at the beginning of the trick and placed inside the card box. It seems to think it's 29. Let's take a look. We're going to open up the box, take the cards out, and we'll count them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and that's number 29. And that is The Magic Card Square by Bert, Allerton, and Robert Parrish. And you can find that in Rufus Steele's book, The Last Word on Cards. I think it's a really interesting effect. I like the magic square concept, and I like cards, so when you put them together, for me, that's a winner. Hope you guys liked it. Take care. Enjoy it.